Hello, my friends. Greetings from Berlin. I'm Andrea, and I welcome you this time to another free sample of the Patreon weekly predictions. Yes, they are available on Telegram as well, if for any reason you cannot join Patreon. And we would like to talk about the next week in May, which is from May 20th to May 26th. Today, I would like to talk about several topics. First of all, some housekeeping and changes to the format based on your feedback. Then I would like to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum for the week, and lastly about recommended blue chip altcoins. And I resumed also for the gold members the PDF recommendations for the crazy, more risky altcoins. So let's go into it. Some housekeeping rules or topics I would like to mention. These are based on feedback. So first of all, one which is very simple. I changed the font. You can see it for the financial calendar presented in the month of June, and all the financial calendars that will come in June and afterwards will have it. The reason is readability, especially on mobile phones, and I listened to you finally, so I thought it's a good time to really change it. I hope it will help you follow the things on the go in an easier manner. Now, the second one, maybe it's not so easy, but it's also a feedback that I got from people that cannot distinguish the colors properly between red and green, especially. And what I came up with in terms of change, so that these people, because now I got it several times, I didn't know that this is quite, I would say, widespread problem. We had the idea to change the green into blue. So they are not so different for the people who know the calendar and are very used to it. You are also used to the TA. You see the bars, the green and the red ones, but let's have understanding here, and I hope you can accommodate that. In any case, let me know in the comments if you have a problem with this, especially people who use the calendar things for longer. I updated the legend and also, the explanations. Basically, the numbers will be of blue shades now, in case we have an upward trend. In terms of sizes, nothing really changed, and also the explanations will be like in each month, with additional explanations for the second part of June for each and every altcoin, because Venus and Mercury go out of bounds. So you will find out what altcoins are really likely to have outstanding price action. Of course, TA and tokenomics, like unlocks and other topics, need to be checked, and this is individually by you. Thank you so much, and now let's dive into the topics for today. A summary for the week for Bitcoin would be that at market level, we have green light in the mid of the week, especially on the 22nd, 23rd. So it will be Wednesday and Thursday, and during the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I know the transaction volume is not so big, so it will be the 25th and the 26th. But we have interesting astrology. It's long-term, it's powerful, and of course, it will spill over into the next week. On the 20th, we do have a mixed day at BTC level, and we have a good weather that would be mid-intensity. I explained this also for the new people who joined, so welcome to the new subscribers. And we do have the mid of the week, as you see, the 22nd and the 23rd. very interesting, I would say, especially 23rd would be positive, it's more clear, but 22nd will have some volatility. I will give more details about it. I think the price action will be quite interesting and powerful because the moon will go from Chitra, which is ruled by Mars, in the beginning of the week, towards Purva Ashada, ruled by Jupiter in the last day of the week. And the most volatile day would be the 22nd, in my opinion. You see here the fire at market level, it's negative, and the Bitcoin fire is positive. So it's green. We will have a dump pump scenario afterwards. As you see here, we will have increase in the second part of the month, of course, of the week, but we will have volatility nevertheless also during the weekend. Important are the days of 24th, where we have a Jupiter trine Jupiter activated long-term in the BTC chart. It's a very powerful long-term aspect, which is bullish. And we have the 26th, which is a very important day also, because we have a Neptune sextile Jupiter for the BTC chart, which is very rare. Neptune having a trajectory to traverse the whole zodiac for 165 years approximately. So whenever Neptune will make a positive aspect, it is big. And of course, this will be active also in the next week. So again, just to recap, we have Mercury, very volatile, expected. We will have also the mid of the week, so Thursday, very important, and it's powerful, it's bullish, and the weekend also looks bullish as well. And on the 25th, we have the ingress of Jupiter in the tropical Gemini, which is a very important, significant shift that will add more action and speed in the markets. Now I would like to go into Ethereum. We have it from the 20th. You see already, if you observe the price action, it's quite correlated with BTC. So whenever you see bearish here and BTC so bullish, please interpret it in the context if it will be less bullish than BTC. And indeed, we do have some day level aspects that are really activated only in the ETH chart. You see the reds, but they are small on the 20th, 21st, 22nd, which is also a volatile day. So here also at Bitcoin level, we expect some turbulence, but then it will gradually improve. I do still think it will grow, but it will be a slower pace. And the end of the week, it's really closing with a very important aspect, which is a Jupiter square Venus. And this is also long-term. It's the third aspect from Jupiter, which is negative for Ethereum. We had two aspects from Jupiter in the Ethereum chart that were exact last week, and they were negative as well. Again, you see it's a low intensity negative, and we do have also the fact that we expect increase in any case, but less than BTC. So if you look also and analyze the BTC to ETH, for example, as a pair, you might also see some evolution there, but I really report it to USDT. So basically this is from ETH purely from a point of view. I compare them only based on the price action that I see in the last week. So again, I would say it would be a moderate week, but don't really stress about it, because it will grow nevertheless. Now, for the altcoins, I see Matic as being important from the blue chips, so to speak, in May. May is quite difficult to predict with the shift of Jupiter in the tropical and the shift of Uranus in the sidereal zodiac. And be here a bit more cautious, because we do have, yes, this positive astrology, but at the end of the month we will have some challenging aspects. I will come with update next week as well. But if you see TA and tokenomics quite good, I would say go for Matic, consider Matic. I think Solana is still a very good bet for May and beyond. And for the gold tier members, I would like to share the forecast for May 20th, May 26th with altcoins that have positive aspects in this week. It's quite powerful, so these altcoins could move, and this will be shared with you in the PDF, and we will continue with this now that we have this clarity. I mean, it's still blurry because the warning for Matic, so to speak, applies to any altcoin, but we do have this positive aspect now end of May, so I think we can see something interesting here in some altcoins. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for your attention to all the members. I thank for their loyalty and continued support. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Until next time, be joyful. See you.